Today we're going to be trying out this burrito. Is it good? Is it bad? Let's find out in this video. And we're at Birria. I really love the look and the design and feel of the whole place. It really has a great blend of Mexican and Spanish and Latin American feel to it. You can really get that, and I love the way they've done the roof as well. Today we're going to be grabbing this massive burrito, but yeah, the person next to me got tacos. Just look at those. Yeah, this burrito is massive. Okay, so for a first look, just look at how huge this is. I can't describe you guys how big it is, and I had a first bite. It has a really nice chewy taste to it, kind of like dough. Yeah, that's a good word to describe it. Yeah, and I've had a bit more. As you can see, it has beans, uh, rice, chicken, and there's some fries that are really crispy. Yeah, they were awesome. I really love them. I've been eating for a while now, and it's a lot. Like honestly, it's a massive burrito. I don't think I can finish it all in one go. It's so much food, honestly. So that's why I'm eating it for the next day. The person next to me was kind enough to give me that one, so I'm gonna be reviewing it right now.
After putting it out from the container, this is how much left. This is enough for 2 whole meals, but I'm just gonna finish it in one go, which is nuts. And this tastes exactly like this, but instead of being in a wrap, it's basically just the rice and the stuff by itself. Okay, so I don't want to show you guys closely the meat itself. Just look at that. Basically, just look at that. I know it's covered by a lot of pieces, but it's actually quite rich and quite succulent, you could say. Yeah, succulent is a good way. It has like a rich flavor that's a bit tough to describe. Okay, so let's have a quick bite about this and let's see what's in here as well. So basically, it's the typical Latin American stuff. So there's beef. This is actually beef, by the way. There's beans here somewhere. Yeah, the black beans, as you can see. And then there's rice, like this rice and the way it's cooked. So it's actually really richly cooked and really flavorful as well. So you really feel like a combination of all of the flavors, the rice, the beans, and the beef is really well done as well. So it just all blends in so seamlessly into all of this. So yeah, I really recommend you guys grab that restaurant. Check it out. Thanks so much.
For the rest of this video, enjoy my walking tour of the Westfield Mall of Scandinavia. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Hope you love this video.